These are exciting times. You are busy working, dating, traveling, and helping your community. You achieved a high GPA for your undergrad studies. Now you decide on attending a graduate school. You start thinking about applying to colleges, obtaining recommendation letters, writing essays, and performing well on standardized tests. But there are more questions than answers. How selective is the college? Should I go in-state? Would I get a scholarship? When do I apply? You ask your friends and family for help in searching college websites, but you do not receive advice on what colleges will academically match or stretch for you. So, what do? We at Got My College have changed the rules in academic-based college matching. We are easy to use, convenient, and transparent. You get personal recommendations for academic college matching based on your GPA and standardized test scores, so you can focus on non-academic requirements. We offer the best graduate college matching services, period, like color-coded matching, how selective colleges are, and the chances of getting scholarships, and more. For more info, visit us at www.gotmycollege.com and follow us on social networks.